Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my review, and today we are going to talk about Vivo Nex 3 5G variant. I have each and everything about this device except for the pricing, like all those design, display, dimensions, and other specification about hardware and software. So stay tuned till the last of the video so that you won't miss out any of those things. So here on the first image on screen, you can see a table where some of the specifications are mentioned, like the dimensions 167.44 by 76.18 by 9.4 millimeters, weight 218.5 grams, and also the external screen parameters: screen pixel 1080 by 2256, screen size 6.89 inches, and the display type is AMOLED. And you can also see 4410 milliampere hour of battery in this one. And talking about next image, you can see the CPU frequency 2.96 gigahertz, RAM memory is 8 and 12, operating system Android obviously, but they are launching it with Android 9. I don't know why. They should go with 10 because they are not just launching it right now. And mentioning about other things such as storage of phone, that is 128, 256 and 512. Total number of cameras in this smartphone is going to be 4, so 3 are rear and 1 is in front. All camera compositions are mentioned in the later part of the video. So now on the third image, I'm going to show you the back panel or the back side of the smartphone. So this is the image we got from Tena. You can see triple camera setup in this triangular shape inside the circular cutout and a LED flash below it. And you can also see the NEX branding, and there is no physical fingerprint scanner on the rear side because it is located on the front edge in display fingerprint scanner. So I have another leaked information which confirms most of the specification mentioned in the previous images and some new as well. So you can see the dimensions is exactly the same in both leaks, the weight is exactly the same, display size is exactly the same, resolution is exactly the same, and 855 plus processor. And it also mentioned about the CPU frequency, which kind of matches. So we can also say the CPU is also same from both leaks. And you can see the front camera is of 16 megapixel and rear is 64 plus 13 plus 13 megapixel. The RAM variants will be 8 and 12 only, so I'm quite confused about that because they should go with 6 gigabyte variant also, considering today's trend. And the storage is also 128 to 56 and also 512, so I don't expect them to give you micro SD slot because they are obviously giving you such high storage. And the battery is 4500 milliampere hour. In previous leak it was said 4410, so it can be rounded off to give or to mark it as 4500 milliampere hour. The charging port is USB type C, and there is also 3.5mm jack, which kind of can be used for advertising the smartphone, and also 44-watt charging is in this smartphone. So here are the main things about this. And also I've got Geekbench score of the smartphone, which is on the screen right now. So here you can see single core and multi-core performance, Android operating system, and also the memory which matches the previous leaks. So all those are interconnected by one means or another. So these are also from some reliable leaksters, so I kind of believe that this is going to be the exact specification which we are going to see in this smartphone. So this is all for today, guys. If you like the video, then do like, share, subscribe, comment whatever you want, and till my next video, peace.